Welcome to this tutorial. What hardware device drivers should be updated? If you are using multiple devices for a long time on your computer, then you must update the drivers. Sometimes, an outdated hardware driver starts troubling the computer. The latest update of the hardware driver fixed some bugs and issues. Follow the steps to update a hardware driver as shown in this video. Click on the Start Windows icon. Click on the Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Update and Security option. Click on the Check for Updates button. Windows will start checking for new updates. If any new updates are found, then Windows will update and it may include your hardware update also. I am closing this update windows. We can also update a hardware driver in Windows Device Manager. To do so, click on the search box and type Device Manager. From the search result, click on the Device Manager app. In the Device Manager window, click on a device name right arrow icon to expand it. For demo purposes, I am clicking on the monitors and have selected the installed monitor model. Click on the Action menu at the top, and from the drop-down list, click on Update Driver. From the pop-up window, click on the Search Automatically for Drivers. Please wait till the Windows search for any newly available driver. If Windows finds a new updated driver, then it will prompt you. Like here in this video, an updated device driver is already installed, so there is no need to update it. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.